Hi my dears, today I decided to show you what I buy from the shops to work and to make my projects. I had a lot of questions from where I'm buying the fabrics, the materials, so today I will make something like unboxing just to show you what I have. I did it the last working day, and take a look. I have a lot of denim here. For example, these are ladies jeans. I'm very careful about the quality. Sometimes I choose stretchy denim, sometimes I choose the normal denim without stretching. It depends what I want to make. For example, take a look. This one is a little bit stretchy denim, and it could be for a dress or lightweight jacket. I will decide what to do. What else? Take a look here. These are a pair of men jeans. I liked this combination with the white stitching, and also the pockets are very interesting, and this could be, for example, used for a bag. Why not, with some leather pieces. Interesting details like this. What else? I use also different colors. And before continuing, girls, don't forget to subscribe. I promise to answer all your questions. If you have them, don't be afraid to ask me. And let's see this one. It's a washed gray denim. I think it's interesting. The pockets are interesting. Also, the buttons here could be used. Pockets here. What else? Let's show you another jeans. Dark blue denim. Men jeans. Not stretchy, but very nice. Middleweight jeans. The buttons are interesting. Also, the pockets, nice large pockets. I could make a cover with some leather piece. I will decide later what to do. So I have a lot of jeans, very good quality. What else? I found this sweatshirt. It's a very nice soft knit cotton blend like this. The colors are dark, but for example, with some mustard yellow or black, I can make something. Also, I found a lot of crochet pieces. It's a real treasure, because I don't know in your countries, but here it's very difficult to find something like this. Originally handmade. Take a look. It could be a pocket, everything. It's a cotton. Also, I have this one. I think it's interesting. Another piece like this. It was maybe some kind of napkin, but I'm sure I will make something with them. Another piece. This one is larger. It's a tablecloth, I think. This one is very nice, very, very fine. Take a look. And for the summer, it will be interesting to use it as embellishment or kind of nice pocket. This one also very nice beige color. Sometimes I cut them, for example, to use only the middle part or to use the circle around it. What else? Take a look. Actually, this one is, it's a pillow cover. This is a viscose silk, but this part is very interesting. Sequins embroidery. I think it will be very interesting to use some pieces. I found a very nice men's shirt like this one. It's 100% of cotton, very good quality, and I will use it for some shirt dresses. I will decide. Also, this time I found a lot of fabrics. It's also very rarely to find something like this. These are pieces, new pieces left from some production, maybe. Take a look. It's only a cut piece like this. It's a cotton and viscose silk blend, very nice for the summer. And take a look, the roses are very nice. This one, it's also cotton with viscose silk. It's a large piece and the print is very colorful. I think it's also very nice for the summer. I found this one. It's for lingerie, I think, but it's 100% cotton, and it's like watercolor painting. I think it's interesting. You can make combinations with a lot of colors. Take a look. It's like painting. The other one, it's a kind of tablecloth. Also, it's cotton, but I think it's nice. Take a look. You can cut the pieces. For example, the edge is very nice of this one. It's ready. Maybe I will use it like this, and you can cut the pieces like this. You can use this piece only, or this one, or together, or for example here it's a very nice combination. You can cut a piece, for example, for a pocket. I will decide what to do with this one. Here I have another pillowcase, but it's a very interesting patchwork. Take a look. These are small pieces stitched one on top of the other. Embroidery, some lace pieces like this one here. Yeah, it's a cotton fabric. I think it will be interesting to use different pieces. For example, take a look. This one is very nice. It could be used like this or a square. The other piece, it's a mustard yellow. Maybe it was a tablecloth, but it's a hand embroidery. It's a linen, and I think it's very nice. Also, I could use it like this, only a piece from here, or this one as a pocket, or on the bust, on the body part, to add this piece. The other one, it's a very fine cotton linen blend. It's a very large piece, very fine, and it doesn't make wrinkles. I don't know, I will use it. And it's a dark beige color. I think it will be interesting to use it for something. When I see fabrics like this, I always buy them because, for example, if you want to do something for your house, you can use these pieces. For example, to make some tablecloth for you or to make a gift to somebody. I found this piece, and believe me, I was not sure if it's synthetic or natural furry leather. And after that, when I came back home, I saw it was cut here. Maybe someone checked this, and this is a natural hair-on leather. Take a look at the stitchings. These stitchings, they are made to add together small furry leather pieces. It's made with a special machine, which is, I don't know the name, but this machine is very specific. It's only for this kind of leather, let's say leather, because it is stitching like this, making something like a very thin overlock. And the color is very nice. It's very lightweight purple, gray purple, and I'm sure for some bags or for something else I will use it. It's a collar, I think, yes. And that's all I bought. So when I see some other fabrics in the normal shops, if I like the print, I buy them. I'm not sure exactly for what, for example, I will use this fur, but if you want to make some projects, it's better to have more materials. Sometimes the materials tell you what to do. And use your imagination. Girls, that's all for today. As you see, I have a lot of materials and the new projects are coming. So wait for more. Don't forget to subscribe and share, leave your comments. I'm here for you. Bye. That's all for today. Have a wonderful day.